Hi, so in this video, I'll try to explain the 10 steps for a successful publication of your book. This is the overall layout that you might have seen in my gig as well. So the phase one is where you finish your writing part. So of course, that's where you write your book. And then step two is where you edit your book. It's very important that you take your time and, uh, do the step two very carefully because that's where a lot of people do mistakes. So once you're done writing your book, you can always go through the book and edit it, or maybe you can always hire a professional to do the editing for your book. And then once you're done editing your book, then the next bit is your proofreading the book. Proofreading is where you look for small typos, grammar errors, and all that. So that's the final phase of, finalize your writing. So once you're done with phase one, you can get it like right after phase one, which is finish your writing, or you can do this like after finishing everything, while finalizing your publishing plan. So for the ISBN number, the option available for us is the free ISBN number, but as the name suggests, since it's free, then it comes with a limitation as well. So let's say if I'm publishing a book on Amazon and I'm getting a free ISBN from Amazon, then Amazon will limit me with their platform only, and I won't be able to publish beyond Amazon. So, but let's say if that's in your cards and you want to publish beyond Amazon, then you have to buy your own ISBN number, and the option available to you uh, it depends on your region. So let's say if you're from US, then you have to get it from Bowker. If you're from UK, then you have to get it from Nelson. Uh, you can always buy it in bulk. It's like the cost varies for both of the platforms, but it's around 300 US dollars. And then the last one is you can always buy it from me, and I'm cheaper than Bowker and Nelson. The reason I'm cheaper than Bowker and Nelson is I already have bought it in bulk, and I just sell it to my clients, for a cheaper price, just to make it easier for them. Let's say if you buy it from me, you still hold all the copyrights and everything. I don't hold the copyrights, and you keep all the royalties and everything, just like Bowker and Nelson. Phase two. So that's where we're going to determine how your book is going to look like. So we call it step five. That's where we will do your book formatting. Book formatting includes laying out your book for print and ebook, and making sure it's perfectly everything is the fonts, bleed, margins, indents, and all these small bits, and like from title page to the end page, we make sure everything looks like super professional, and it's like exactly as per industry standards. So that's what we call book formatting. And once we're done with book formatting, the next bit after that is book cover design. I usually recommend doing book cover design after book formatting, because let's say if I'm doing a book formatting, then after doing a book formatting, I'll be able to I'll have a better understanding of your book, and that's when I'll be able to give you like a better insights about a better visual designs for your book cover. The way book cover works is sometimes, most of the times, authors have some sort of vision as well. So you share your vision, I'll share mine, and together we'll come up with a best-selling book cover. And once you're done with step five and step six, the next bit is your step seven, where we prepare all files for print, ebook, and we enclose all files in a zip file, and that's how we finalize phase two.
Phase 3, so that's the most interesting part. That's where we finalize your publishing plan. So we start with keywords and categories. You can always swap these steps around, step 8, 9, 10. I'm just putting it in one order here. So we start with keywords and categories. The way it works is we look for the right keywords and categories and check against Amazon algorithms to make sure that people are actually looking for those keywords. And same goes for the categories. We choose the least populated categories in that in your particular genre, so that we can easily rank your book. So that it's easier for us to rank your book as high as possible. And then step 9, that's where you create all your accounts based on your publishing plan. And step 10 is where we finalize your publishing plan. Finalizing your publishing plan, that's where we finalize everything. For example, if you just want to publish on Amazon, then we use KDP Amazon for that. And Amazon will make your book available literally everywhere. And let's say if you want to target a bookstore, then we use Income Spark for that. The way Income Spark works is they have a certain criteria. Once you fulfill that criteria, then your book will be available on in a bookstore as well. So I recommend doing print book on Income Spark, and then last but not least, we use Draft to Digital for your ebooks, and Draft to Digital is going to make your book available on all major platforms, which includes Barnes and Noble, Kobo, Apple, and all of the big names. That's pretty much it. Some of the services I've mentioned in my video are not included as a standard gig pricing, so feel free to reach out for a custom tailor code. Every book is different, so I prefer to propose custom tailor code that fulfill your needs, and you'll be able to get the most out of your book. If you still have any question for me, you can drop me a message, or maybe book a consultation by going to my profile and click on this consultation button here, book a consultation button here, and I'll see you there. Thanks again for watching this video, and I'm looking forward to working with you soon.